Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you have a 500 credit score and you need to get a loan and your bank and credit union don't want to work with you, but you know that you need money to get caught up on bills, I'm going to show you some of the places that I would take a look. Now, the first one is Speedy Net Loans, okay? And as you can see here, they are a platform that helps you locate up to $5,000. Now, here's the thing about it. I'm gonna reiterate this. They are a platform. They are not a lender. They connect you with lenders. All right. Now, here's the thing about it. The type of lenders they connect you with are tribal lenders. All right. And so with tribal lenders, if you've been following my videos, I always tell you they have more flexibility than with a bank or credit union, especially when you have bad credit. Okay. Now, given that the interest rates is definitely going to be much higher, you will have a higher chance of approval. So Speedy Net Loans is the first one. I mentioned to you guys about tribal lenders. So Rise Up Lending is a tribal lender, okay, a direct lender. Now you can see here they offer loans from 200 up to 3,000. Now, here's the thing most people wonder, well, does my credit matter? With these type of lenders, they do not focus on the credit, okay? Their main focus is, do you have an active checking account? Do you have a minimum of $1,000 a month after taxes? Okay. So that's not biweekly, that's not once a week, but that's monthly, $1,000 after taxes on a monthly. All right. So you can be on disability, welfare, receiving any type of government assistance. You may be receiving at least $1,000 a month in child support, and they will be able to help you. Okay. So Rise Up Lending would definitely be one of the ones that I would check out. Talking about another direct lender that works with bad credit, you have Lending Bear. Okay. Now, unfortunately, Lending Bear is only in 3 states. So if you're in one of these states, Lending Bear will be able to help you. Now, let me help you all understand something. With these type of lenders, because they don't use the major credit bureau, they use the third party credit bureaus in order to see if you qualify. Okay. And the only thing that usually will disqualify somebody from getting this type of loan because they don't focus mainly on the credit. And as you can see here, it says bad credit is okay. All right. And for most of the lenders I'm talking about, it ain't about the credit. It's about the information on the application matching up with the third party financial credit bureaus. So let me explain to you. So this is a third party financial credit bureau. This is Teletrack. It's owned by Equifax. Okay. And so whenever you or if you ever taken out a loan online, Teletrack keeps that data and they sell it to these third party lenders. Okay, like your tribal lenders, okay, like your alternative lenders and stuff. And then those third party lenders determine if they want to loan you from there. Now, again, what they're mainly looking for, if you had a bankruptcy in the past, were we included in that bankruptcy? Okay, um, is the address on the application matching with the address in this here credit bureau? Okay, and yes, you can get a copy of your credit bureau. A lot of people are not even aware of this. And so they're wondering, well, I got bad credit, but I got good income. How come they won't approve me? Again, it may have nothing to do with the credit. It's because the information that's with this here financial credit bureau that they decided, well, we don't want to work with you. So if you defaulted on a loan, if you have multiple loans, so it could be a variation of different things of why you may get denied. But this is one of those credit bureaus. Another credit bureau they may use is Clarity Services, which is owned by Experian. And yes, guys, you can request your financial credit report, okay? And so they will give you your credit report. You can see your financial credit score. You can do a fraud alert, security freeze. You can do an opt out so they won't have to share your information anymore. That's also an option for you. Many people are not even aware that these third party financial credit bureaus even exist. One of the things I always tell people before you even go after those loans, if you're working a regular W 2 job, you should approach your HR and request this form. It's a W 4 form. This is going to stop them from taking out federal income taxes out of your check. Okay? This is why so many people struggle because the government takes out so much of their money that it doesn't leave them enough to get caught up on bills and stuff. But using this here form, it actually will stop the government from taking out federal income taxes on in your paycheck, and that way you have more money to bring home, and that way you may not be forced to take out one of these payday loans. Now, I usually tell people to do this up to at least 3 to 4 months to give you enough opportunity to get caught up on your bills. For you guys that are entrepreneurs, that you're doing your own thing, you're your own boss and stuff, but you have bad credit and you need money to fix your car or you need money to pay some bills, you may want to check out Giggle Finance. Okay. And the reason is, as you can see, they do offer loans up to $5,000. And this is not based on your credit. They're not focused on your credit. That's the reason it says no credit requirements. The thing that they focus on, if you've been in that industry, in the gig industry for at least 90 days, okay? Do you have consistent deposits in your active bank account? Okay. And then the minimum revenue, I would tell you, just so you can be safe, is usually between $1,200 and $1,500 a month that you have to show proof that's revenue coming in. Now, if you do accept a loan from them, I can truly tell you they may do, after you accept the loan, they may do hard pull on your TransUnion. Okay. But beyond that, they're very easy to get a loan. Now, keep in mind, with some of these lenders, they're not in all 50 states as well. Okay. Another lender I always talk about is Fundo. Now, they do offer a merchant cash advance. So be aware that the interest rates is definitely going to be much higher, but they work with gig workers. All right. And as you can see, it does go up to $10,000. Now, for those in California and New York, unfortunately, they can't work with you. All right. But at the same time, I just want to give you an overview in terms of who they actually work with. So you can see here, they work with freelancers, contractors, small business, sellers, and franchisees. So you can be working in an MLM and they will be able to give you funding. Now, again, you have to be in this type of business for in one of these type of business for at least 90 days. You have to have an active checking account. The minimum income you have to have with them is $1,500. Okay. So they will check and they're going to use either plat or decision logic when they tap into your bank account to see if you actually have real deposits. All right. Now, one of the bigger things that stop a lot of people from getting funding and stuff or building that relationship to get qualified for funding, regardless of your credit, is they don't have proof of pay stubs. So if you guys need help with proof of pay stubs, comment pay stubs below and I will send you over the link where you can sign up to start getting pay stubs set up. Another resource that you guys could take a look is Find Help, findhelp.org. All right. And so, what it is with findhelp.org, they have all of these different resources to help you. So, from food resources, housing, and stuff. And all you do is just put in your zip code. So, you may be in, what is New York, 10201 or something like that. But the main thing about it is being able to put in a zip code 63107, right? So when you put in that zip code, your zip code locally, it's going to tell you all the programs in that area that they can help you get assistance with. Okay. So that's the reason why I would tell you guys is if you're struggling, don't be embarrassed to reach out to these institutions to get help. That's what they're for. Okay. Helping you look, help pay for your car, help pay for your gas. So they have different resources to actually help you. Another lender is Explore Credit. Again, it's a tribal lender. And as you can see here, they go from 250 up to $2,000. Again, I always tell people make sure that the income that you have monthly after taxes is at least $1,000. Just keep that in mind. And by the way, if this video is helpful to you, show me a like, leave me a comment, and please share the video. Another resource that many people are not aware is through the Department of Treasury. Okay, you can go here and they have rental assistance program. And so with the rental assistance program, they'll tell you to reach out to 211. But when you reach out to 211, they have resources to help you pay your rent and utility bills as well. So there are resources out here to help the community. I think just many of us are not aware of them. Another tribal lender that you guys may want to take a look at is Three Stick Lending. Now, I'll put some of these links below, but like they offer up loans for bad credit up to $3,000. Again, the biggest thing with these here tribal lenders, yes, the interest rates is going to be much higher, but it makes it much easier for you to actually borrow money. Another lender you might want to check out is Viva Payday Loans. Now, Viva Payday Loans, as you can see, they go from 100 up to 5,000. Plus, if you can notice that their interest rates is right along the lines with the bank, 5.99 to 35.99. Okay. Now, this is also a platform. They are not a direct lender, but as you can see here, they help find you loans with more reasonable interest rate. We have one more, and that's IndyLand. IndyLand is also a platform, and as you can see here, they go from $200 up to 5,000. And again, there's no worry about the credit. Like I said, they use third-party credit bureaus. So in terms of worrying about a hard inquiry or already having too many hard inquiries and stuff, they are not going to put a hard inquiry on your loan. They are a platform to help you. And the thing about it with these platforms, because they use tribal lenders, most of the time you would notice that a lot of the tribal lenders they work with people that are on government assistance. Okay, just long as you have those requirements that I told you, active bank account, at least a minimum of $1,000 a month after taxes. Okay, and making sure that your address is up to date on the application that's matching with the third party financial credit bureaus. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, click the link in the description. Thank you.